Let us talk about mewing, how to do it correctly. You've probably come across videos about mewing, especially recently, and it really is a technique that makes you more attractive, improves breathing, corrects your bite, and generally brings a lot of benefits. Now let us move on to the step-by-step instructions on how to do it. Step 1. Relax your tongue completely, so it just lies there without touching your front teeth. Step 2. Place the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth, right where your upper front teeth begin, but without touching them. Step 3. Without moving the tip of your tongue, press the rest of its surface against the roof of your mouth. Your teeth should not touch each other. Step 4. At this step, you should already feel slight tension in your cheeks, a bit in your neck, and at the base of your lower jaw. Now add more effort to press your tongue harder against the roof of your mouth. That's it. This is the correct tongue position for mewing. Now, we need to learn to breathe through your nose. Many of your appearance problems are due to your nose being blocked and you breathing through your mouth. It has time to fix this. Firstly, you continue mewing while sleeping, so we start breathing through our mouths. To combat this, I suggest using sleep tape to stick over your mouth to prevent mouth breathing. However, keep in mind that many people's noses are not prepared for nasal breathing because they are simply not used to it. To solve this problem, I recommend using nasal strips that expand the nostrils and improve breathing. You can find them in any online store.